Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about the introduction to computer networks. First, we will see what is a network. A network is a group of interconnected people or things. And the real life example for the network is water supply system. The function of this water supply system is to provide end users with potable water with a sufficient pressure level. So we can say that a computer network would be a group of interconnected computers, right? So exactly we can say that a computer network is anything where more than one computer is connected to each other. Traditionally, a computer network would consist of desktop computers, servers, printers, etc. But these days, we live in a connected world. We still have desktop servers, printers. And now we have a vast number of smart devices connected to our networks. Most of you will have a mobile phone, maybe a tablet, security cameras, even smart lights are found on networks in these days. Now we will see some of the basic networks. Here we have a router, switch, a wireless access point, a desktop, and a phone. All are connected to the same network. We can say it as a common home setup. In most home networks, the switch and wireless access point will be built into the router. Generally speaking, any network in a single area is called local area network or LAN. The LAN is usually connected to the outside world using a socket in the wall that your internet service provider has installed. This socket connects you to the wide area network or WAN. The purpose of WAN is to connect separate local area networks together. The example of WAN is the internet. However, businesses might have private WANs to connect multiple sites together. Now we will see about business type network. Here we have all of our office computers and these would usually plug into a wall or floor socket. And these sockets will have cables either running through the floor or the ceiling back to the special room called a wiring closet. This room might also be called as a patch room or a server room. In the wiring closet, all of these devices will connect to a stack of switches which are placed onto the racks. Depending on the size of the network, there may be multiple wiring closets which all connect to each other. Now we will see one more network type, that is wireless network. Generally, smartphones have internet access via 3G, 4G and even 5G. We can think of these as basically a giant wireless network for your phones. Somewhere close to you, there will be a giant tower that allows you to connect and get internet access. So these are just some common network types and an introduction to some basic networking devices. Why do we need networks? Imagine our life without networks for a second. If we want to print a document, we need to directly connect a printer and it prints the document on paper form. Of course, it's fine, but what happens if we have multiple computers? For this, we would need multiple directly connected printers, right? Which is not absolutely fine. So, by using networks, we can share the resources. If I have a file and I want to send it to someone, I can do that. And they can also share the file with everyone else. We can also have the shared printers that everyone can use. We can even have the servers that could store these files for us. Of course, file sharing and printing is just one example. With the internet, we can search for anything we want. Literally, we have the world's knowledge at our fingertips. For example, we have an email, we can message our friends, telephone calls over the internet, and of course, awesome YouTube content. So, networking has changed the entire world. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.